This is slime making.
Slime making 101. Sort of.
New ones.
What the?
No,
I'm scared.
Okay.
This is my slime.
You're picking mine.
I had to throw mine away. That's my throw it away slime. This is someone's.
Someone's. I have a name.
I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
I need to wash my hands.
Mine didn't spill everywhere.
That's someone's.
No.
This is
Wait,
someone's.
where can I wash my hands? In the bathroom.
Oh,
What bathroom?
Look at the flowers. It looks like St. Patrick.
I'm just doing that one.